Who wants to know how to make this while loop? I'll show you. This, I think, must be unevaluated. I think this must be unevaluated. And this must have the arrow that's on the bottom that shows it's a loop. Put a repeat until not call, and then drag this onto this. I already did that. Drag a run, and then drag this onto this. And then you're done. And here I am with this. Sorry. GX mods. This doesn't run until you load space. When you release space and wait for it to end, it stops running. Hope you enjoyed. 3, 2, 1. Adios.